Alright, what's up guys? So we got this juicer from Amazon. So this is the warehouse deals. This is a Kuvings juicer, or Kuvings juicer, however you want to pronounce it. Picked it up for about $220. I think retail was around $400 for this one. This is the 650 model. It's pretty heavy. This one did come with a blender. And it juices wheatgrass. I forgot to get wheatgrass. Went to the store. And so I know the Kuvings juicer, they have like a patent on their wide chute mouth. Which is kind of weird because I know that like the Jack LaLanne had a wide mouth. 1, 2, but I don't know if that's different. Let me just go over. Alright, so we're gonna open this and see what's inside. I think the last juicer I bought was like a Jack LaLanne juicer. Alright, so before returning product to store, please contact Kuvings. So like the last time I bought one of these, like I said before, is the Jack LaLanne juicer. And as you can see, we have the goods. I think here is a wide mouth chute. There's a wide mouth chute. So yeah, like I told you, I got this for about $200 less than retail, because there was basically the box was messed up and there was a small scratch on the actual juicer itself, which I don't mind. It's probably gonna get a scratch anyways. So we got the spout that all the juice goes into. And I think that's the juicer itself here, which is really, really heavy. And then I think this is, these are the attachments in the juicer. So let's get into the kitchen, into the light, and we can see everything all in front. Alright, so here is the juicer itself. I think that's what the imperfection was. There was a little scratch nicks on the product itself, which I don't mind. It looks brand new to me. It basically is brand new, just a little defect, which is there. And possibly those two things, no, actually that's fine. But yeah, that's $200 off for this right here. That's amazing to me. So inside the box that we had, we have the accessories. So this is the first time I've had one of these juicers since the Jack LaLanne juicer. So not too sure what all these mechanisms are for. So, but I know this is the extractor. I know that comes with a blender. It's a blender too. Not sure what this is. So you got more stuff in here. There's like a spout, and we got the cleaning brush, and another little stopper that looks like, I'm not too sure what that is. And then in here, so already breaking stuff. In here we have the catcher. Looks like we got two different ones. Something else heavy is in here. Okay. We have to read the instruction manual and see how to put this all together. And there's another brush, cleaning brush there. So two cleaning brush or bristles and a brush. And then this looks like an auger or some sort. And I put that on there. I'm not too sure, but yeah. So this is pretty much what we have. There is no instruction manual actually. So I'm gonna have to go on the internet and figure out how to work this, or just play with this manually. But yeah guys, 200 bucks because of that. Not bad at all. Gonna figure out how to make this thing work. And yeah, we'll figure it out. Got our juice. Got our juicer finally. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Alright, so now that I got it set up, it's pretty simple. Put the spigot there for the juice. This is for the pulp. So that could be for the pulp. With the juice. Nope. This is for the pulp. I don't know, which one, whatever one is for the pulp. Might be that one actually. And then this could be for the juice. There. Okay, book it off. Fix that. But yeah, I'm gonna get it started. And yeah, I think this is for the blender. Give you a sneak peek on how to put it together. So you put the base in here until it locks. See how it locks there. Then you put the extractor, which is for the juicer. And then you put this big old auger that crushes the whole thing. And then you put this, push it down until it locks. Pretty set. So this is how loud it gets, which isn't loud at all. And you just feed your juice of fruit through there. And it comes out here, a little spout. I heard from some people not to have the spout closed. Somebody, it kills the nutrients or something like that. Not too sure about that. But since this baby is off, I might just go ahead and do that. But as you can see, this is a forward, off, reverse. So I'm not sure what reverse does. Maybe to get stuff unstuck. But yeah, guys, pretty cool. We're gonna get some fruit that we have over here. I bought just a lot of stuff. I want to juice that and this and some lemons. Basically went to my local Sprouts and he's got a bunch of stuff. We're gonna juice a lot of veggies. Since it's already like 9 o'clock at night, got off work, I'm gonna juice a bunch of veggies and have my juice ready for tomorrow too, which is cool. This juice containers I bought from Amazon as well. Comes 6 of them. Gave some to my parents. I'm gonna make them juice as well. Keep them healthy. Yeah, guys. So this is pretty much it. When it gets started, turn this baby on. You don't really need to use this. When you use this shit out of the box, I don't care if it's dirty. Nah, it shouldn't be too dirty, but yeah. I'll show you the juice when it comes out. Alright, so the first thing I wanted to juice was my watermelon. I've actually been craving watermelon. Let's put an easier piece in this little small piece like this. Alright, so you can fill the whole thing. Nope, that doesn't fit. And it comes smaller. That one should fit. Okay, so I gotta cut these a little smaller. Okay, so there it goes. It takes a little practice getting everything in there, so you can see the juice is like getting all, or the watermelon's getting all juiced up, and look at that. There's a yummy pulp. I forgot to take the bag out. So yeah, you just toss it in there. Or maybe not that big of a thing. There you go. And just let it go nice and easy down there. And there's the yummy juice. at that, guys. Look at that juice. I'm gonna try to juice this whole thing right here and cut it nice and like even. And see how this whole thing fits down there. Because it will fit. So, look at that. Nice and easy. Look at all that juice. It's all juice. And the skin here, and like all that right there, is like the best nutritionist part of the watermelon. So I'm gonna get this going, guys. It's my Cool Things juice. Look at that. So I'm gonna try to put a full celery stick down there, like grime and all. Let's just see how it handles it. A little bit. The idea is just to let it kind of get through. So I'm gonna try to like break these into like little pieces, and then basically you're just gonna drop them through, like little pieces at a time. Yeah, it handles it very well. I'm gonna try to put a lemon in there. I don't know how it's gonna work. I can drop the whole thing in there, cut it, and drop a lemon in there.